Welcome to Pip Insight. Thursday the 2nd of July, New York pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 5 showing bullish structure and 2 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's New York pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure: gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure: dollar yen, dollar Swiss. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold segment, here we go, and there's plenty to unpack this morning. Gold is sitting at $4,123 heading into the New York Open, and the broader structure remains moderately bullish. Both the 4-hour and 1-hour trends are pointing higher, with the EMAs stacked bullishly well beneath current price. The MACD histogram is showing a strong bullish crossover, and RSI on the 4-hour is at 61. Momentum is present without being stretched into overbought territory yet. What's interesting is the price action from the London session. Gold surged aggressively, tagging a high of $4,157, then spent the remainder of the session drifting back down toward $4,123, classic post-spike absorption. So we have a support zone between $4,113 and $4,125 immediately beneath us, an overhead resistance clustered between $4,141 and $4,157. Now, the fundamental picture is where today gets really significant. We have non-farm payrolls hitting at 8:30 Eastern, forecast at just 114,000 against a prior reading of 172,000. A softer number typically weighs on the dollar and historically provides a tailwind for gold through both dollar weakness and safe haven demand. Average hourly earnings and the unemployment rate drop simultaneously, adding further volatility potential. Watch for $1,113 as the key floor and $4,157 as the ceiling to monitor through the session open. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.146 and 1.15255. Support is marked between 1.1398 and 1.14234. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 1.338 and 1.33855. Support is marked between 1.3328 and 1.3342. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar yen. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 161.45 and 161.95. Support is marked between 160.2 and 160.75. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing clearly defined bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 0.8055 and 0.8097. Support is marked between 0.799 and 0.8009. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.6942 and 0.6945. Support is marked between 0.6922 and 0.6926. Here is the full chart breakdown.
Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.57176 and 0.572. Support is marked between 0.5695 and 0.56996. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the New York pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.